Welcome to this computer. We are on XFC OpenBox i3, what we call our flagship, with XFC OpenBox i3. We have been making videos because there's lots of software more on your system. Maybe you haven't noticed it because, well, you have to take a look at the PAMAC and what's in the repo. And the only way how to do that actually is going and diving into the code here, well, in PAMAC, and see what you can install. As you see, everything is red, everything is installed. The repo third party as well, there are lots of things that are new in here, and you check it out. If there are applications you say, oh, that's interesting, right? And one of those is Skype. Yeah, we know Skype from our Windows experiences. With a Ctrl-Alt-T, we go and have a look, sudo pacman -s Skype. Yes, I am doing pacman -s, but because normally we do a yay, right? We look for something called Skype, and that's it. And then this AUR list comes on and say, okay, there is nothing on Arch. That's what we read here. So the community thing here, but it is at this point in time on our ArcoLinux repo. So it's super fast installed. Doesn't need to be built because this is AUR is building, is a recipe. It's not an application. It's how you build stuff. So it takes time to download every little aspect of it and then build it, and you see the build going on your screen, and then after, depending what application it is, after a minute or so, everything is installed, right? But in this case, it's just a sudo pacman -s. It's on our repos. It's of course due to the problems at this point in time in March 2020. We'll talk about later, to our grandchildren in my case. And there we go. Let's install it. Let's keep communicating with our loved ones, our colleagues, our friends. And we provide you all the tools on ArcoLinux that can do that, like TeamViewer, Telegram, Discords, there is Zoom, there is so many out there, Telegram, any of these, all good, as long as you can communicate, right? And I just create myself an ArcoLinux account, so wasn't there before, and now it's up to, well, me figuring out who is on there, right? So I found Ray, one of our core developers, and I said waiting for Ray to accept invitation. I guess he's not online. So hi Ray, I say, we can now Skype on ArcoLinux. So it's up to you to figure out, well, where are my friends, right? So I just typed in Ray and then Rene and go on. So I need to figure out all the names of the other guys, but I'll just pop that in Telegram and ask, hey, do you want to join? And we can have meetings here, calls, meet now, stuff like that. So I'm going to use this as well in my university to keep track, to keep in contact with my students, right? There's also Microsoft Teams that I'm going to use, and the big blue button, maybe you know that as well, an application inside Canvas it is. It's quite useful to teach my students. So there it is, guys. You just have Skype. It's up to you to have an account, add your friends, and well, keep in contact, right? Make sure the webcam is set all right, but I guess that's not going to be too difficult. Somewhere there are the preferences, the settings, and if you want to see my face once more, hi. So the camera is just working, and my son is waving back to me here. Fine. But we need also to set all the voice, the technical stuff, the audio, video settings. And the only thing I can tell you on any of our systems is Ctrl-Alt-U, right? That's volume control, or pulse audio volume control, or PAVU control. And here you set everything you want to set in a big screen. So that's it. We have a Skype. Of course I had a Skype, a personal one, and also a work one. Now I have an ArcoLinux one. So great, it's all for free. It works, chat with each other, webcam works fine. We need to have alternatives anyway, because of the fact that things will break if everybody is going to go online. whoa, those servers will have a lot of work to do. All right, enjoy ArcoLinux, enjoy Skype.